Today, we are diving deep into the magical and enchanting world of butterflies. These fluttering beauties bring such joy and wonder to our gardens, and we can't wait to show you how to attract them to your own outdoor space. Hey folks, welcome to or welcome back to Natural Wonder of Mother Earth. Butterflies are nature's most colorful and delicate creatures, with their vibrant wings and graceful movements. Did you know that there are over 20,000 species of butterflies worldwide? Each one is more stunning than the last, with unique patterns and colors that will leave you in awe. Why attracting butterflies is important. Not only are butterflies a feast for the eyes, but they also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. As important pollinators, butterflies help to maintain the balance of our planet life and contribute to the overall health of our environment. By attracting butterflies to your garden, you are not only creating a beautiful oasis, but also doing your part to support these vital creatures. How to attract butterflies to your garden. Now, let's get to the fun part, attracting butterflies to your garden. First and foremost, you'll want to plant a variety of nectar-rich flowers that butterflies love. Some excellent options include milkweed, butterfly bush, zinnias, and lantana. These flowers will provide a delicious food source for butterflies and entice them to visit your garden. Additionally, be sure to provide a sunny spot for your butterfly friends to bask in the warmth and spread their wings. Butterflies are cold-blooded creatures and rely on the sun to regulate their body temperature. By offering them a sunny resting spot, you'll make your garden even more inviting. In conclusion, creating a butterfly-friendly garden is a rewarding and enchanting experience that will bring you closer to nature and add a touch of magic to your outdoor space. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to welcome these stunning creatures into your world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on how to connect with the beauty of the natural world. Happy gardening!